So we know you're a Porsche guy, John. Tell us about what you see here.
I call myself a Porsche file because I love them. This is a 74, which is the first of the big bumper cars. Carrera. It's a Targa, which means the roof will lift off. They're quite rare in 911 terms. The lot less Targas made than coupes. And it's got a whale tail, which is an after this model. It's probably off a turbo. All the wheels have been refurbed. You know, these are quite a collectible car nowadays.
Red, manual, flat six.
3 litre, apparently it's had a 3 litre engine fitted, which they originally had 2.7s.
Yep.
So performance would be good. Yeah, Porsche's in the last 10 years have gone crazy. So it's a real opportunity for quite a collectible car.
So just check online. It'll be up listed very shortly, up for bidding. Red, manual, Porsche 911.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.